This is Miss Chloe's 6th training session. Week 2, day 2. And I forgot my tree pouch, so we're just gonna put the chicken right there. Okay, go get it. Yes, good girl. Oops. Go get it. Go get it. Chloe. Yeah, good girl. Chloe. Oh. That's why you use a treat pouch and don't hold chicken in your hand. Chloe. Good girl. Chloe. Good girl. Alright, let's get your little puppa mat out. You're messy. Ready? Go to your mat. There we go. Yep. Ready? Okay, go get it. Go to your mat. Put it down. So I'm gonna try to wait her out for a couple of seconds and see if she lays down for me. I know you can do it, baby girl. Yeah, good job. Lots of chicken for that. Yeah, good girl. Good job. Look at your little puppa tail. Okay. Go to your mat. Yeah, that's exactly what we want to see, little lady. Check the light bulb went off and figured out how to make the chicken happen. Oh, just lay down. Good job. Okay, go get it. Oh, it's right here, little lady. Chloe, right there. Good girl. Go to your mat. You know you can do it. You did it just before. Think about it. Yes, good girl. Chicken. Good job. See, look, he's right there. Alright, we're just gonna do one more. Okay, go get it. Go to your mat. You think about it again. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. Need a little bit more. Alright, then so ideally, the next time she does this, maybe we'll do it again before I leave. She'll lay down a little bit faster. Because her brain will have a little bit of time to process it and think about it. And usually every time you do another training session, and puppy, even if it's something that they were kind of like about, usually they get it a little bit quicker and a little bit faster the next time. It's called latent learning because their brain, go get it, okay, processes and organizes all that information in between. Huh. Okay, let's just do some sits and downs and stands. Sit. I threw that chicken at you, I'm sorry. Let's see if you, oh, good girl. Good job. Down. Perfect. Got a perfect little peanut you are on the camera. Okay. Stand. straight lure. Oh, and edge. Okay. Stand. Almost. Doesn't help that her butt kind of went lazy when she laid down. You're too funny. Come on, hang on here. Let's use a bigger piece of chicken. I'm gonna hold it right in front of her nose, and she's just like craning her little puppy neck. Yes, there we go. That was a very nice stand. Perfect. Yeah, let's try that one more time. And try for miss it this time. Yep. Alright, stand. You're still chewing. Perfect. Good girl. Stand. Oh, little lady. What happened? Ready? Straight out. Yes, there we go. It's like you just forget what to do with your little puppy self, huh? Stand. Perfect. Alright, we're going to take a break from that. Alright, let's do a little bit of puppy handling. I'm going to put my clicker down so I'm not clicking right in your face. Alright, little puppies. Little puppy hug. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi. Thank you. I'm going to do, I'll do little puppy feet. Well, hello. Oh my goodness, look at your little puppy belly. Are you like a turtle? Like a puppy turtle? Let me touch the little puppy feeties and look at her little nails. Good job. And then we'll look at your little puppy ear. And the other one. Good job. Ask you for another stand. Look at how good you did that one. And look at, hi wiggle butt. Hi wiggle butt. And look here. Good job. Yes, that's very nice. All right, you think we want to put your harness on? Wouldn't you like to put your harness on a little bit? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. You're such a cutie patootie today. Not supposed to be jumping though. I know. Yes, good girl. Then you sit, you get more pets and chicken. How do we feel about that Velcro? Not too scary, right? Do one time? Yeah, say we love Velcro because it means chicken's about to happen. See how she like doesn't even care today? Yesterday she was a little bit like iffy about it. Today she's like, well, also I want to eat your sweater. Let's not do that though. Good girl. Alright, yesterday remember I put it on upside down. Well, let's not do that, right? Let's not do that. Hi. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Give me your puppy footy there, Missy. I know. Hold on. Hold on. Chicken. There we go. Hold on, babies. Chicken. Good girl. Can I clip it? You want chicken? Look. Wiggle worm. Are you a wiggle worm? You gotta work on that wiggle wormness. Where's your leash? Says hi, camera. Look at me and my harness. Chloe, go get it. Go get it. Or just sit there. Or just sit there. Ready? See this chicken? You can play with your toys. Go get it. Go get it. Chloe. Good girl. I'm trying to catch you before you get your nest. Chloe. Chloe think I hear the doggies upstairs and I'm just gonna wander around my mom. Go get it. Chloe, where are you going back there, little lady? Ready? Go get it. I've been feeling kind of independent today. I'm a big girl, I'm at least on now. Ready? Go get chicken. Are you bored of my chicken today already? Alright, Peanut. Chloe, drop. Alright, let's see your leash off. Let's see. Come on. Ready? Go get it. Go get it. You know, so much want to do the leash today, huh? Now there's chicken everywhere. Chloe! Hi. Well, that's okay. We don't have to play with your leash today. You played pretty good with it yesterday. Huh, you did pretty good with it yesterday. Well, hello. Oh, hi. We're friends again. I'm not Scary Leash Lady anymore. Alright, let's just have a 1 minute of snuggle time. Yes, because you're a very good puppy. Yes, you're a very good girl. Yes, thank you. Okay. Ready? Now it's serious time. Chloe's like, yeah, no, I don't really want to have serious time. I want to bite your sweater and your hands. Alright, we're going to scoop you back up. I'm going to give you some chicken to eat while I unclip your harness. Hi, crazy girl. Hi, crazy girl. Hi, crazy girl. I'm gonna have zoomies right now. Huh, I'm about to have zoomies. As a baby squirrel. Alright, so when your puppy is having crazy puppy zoomies and biting your sweater, just get up. You're too close to the ground. The bitey fun things to bite are too close to the ground. I'm gonna try to distract her with some chicken while I take this harness off. If I can, but she's like, I'm feeling like a crazy puppy right now. There we go. Oh my goodness. See what's up with those another puppy snuggle real quick. Thank you. Okay. But I guess the sweater was a terrible idea to wear, huh? The little puppies get caught getting stuck in it. Let's play for 2 minutes. Down on the ground. Right, so good rule of thumb when your puppy is biting crazy, don't be on the ground because then they're just gonna bite you. You still have that scroll in your mouth. Yes, you do. Let me be. I do love when puppies shake things. I love when puppies shake puppet toys. Oh my goodness. No, poor girl. Let's at least get you on the camera shaking stuff and being cute. So, Tug, puppy tug. Does tug make your puppy aggressive? No. Puppies love to tug stuff. Dogs love to tug stuff. It's a really fun game for them. You should teach your puppy drop, which we'll do if she wants to pay attention to my chicken again. Sometimes puppies get bored of a treat. She really liked my chicken for a couple days now, but she's also just kind of in a wacky mood and wants to play, huh? But when I teach drop, I actually do it when the puppy doesn't have a toy or anything. Chloe, can you come back here? No, I couldn't want to play on my toy. So I say drop and drop treats. Yeah, not really enough. Oh, there we go. So I do that actually when the dog doesn't even have a toy. I say drop treats. Also going to point out the treats a little bit. Ready? Let's try that again. Chloe. I kind of want her paying attention to me. Chloe, drop. So she is learning that the word drop means treats are about to rain from the sky. And I'm pointing them out, which makes her a little bit more comfortable with my hand being near her face while she's eating said treats. So then we can do it when she has a toy. Right now, so when you want to work on something like this, you do want to make sure the puppy's going to respond to the behavior. Oh, hi. Like, I want that blue thing. So maybe we wouldn't do it right now when she has a toy, when she's pretty hyped up. But after lots of practice of doing the drop, raining treats from the sky when she doesn't have a toy, and teaching her that drop means treats are about to rain from the sky, then try it when she has a toy. She's going to drop the toy, go eat the treats, and then let her have the toy back. And with lots and lots of practice, then when she has something she can't have, like a shoe or your glasses or something, and you say drop, she'll drop that thing. Even if you don't have treats to rain from the sky, she will drop that thing to look for said treats. You can grab that thing. If you have treats handy to reward her, that would be good. But, oh, hi. You pay attention to me, so I give you treats. Oh, we leave. But that way, if 99 times previously you've said drop and rained treats from the sky, and that one time you don't, it's okay. She won't remember that one time. But she'll remember all the times that treats did rain from the sky, so she'll drop what she has to look for them. Chloe! Yeah, go girl. Chloe says, I just want to play today. Ready? Go get it. Chloe! So, and if your puppy is in kind of a wacky, I want to play and run around and be crazy, Chloe! Do stuff like this, like practice your recall. Chloe! So she still gets some opportunity to run around and be wacky. Got chicken everywhere. Chloe! Remember my touching hand? Yay! Thinking up. That's making my jump button. It would like made me drop my chicken. Touch! Yes, good girl. You are a silly girl today. Ready? Go get it. Oh, hi. Go get it. It's over here. That's me. That's my sweater. Oh my goodness, you crazy girl. Are you stuck on me? Ouch. Go get it. You are so funny today.